Hey guys, today I'm going to be balancing the Glidecam iGlide from start to finish. A few things to make note of first. This is a very tedious process. You have to have patience with this device. This does not have the fine-tune knobs like the HD series does, which basically means when you move the plate front and back, it's very difficult to get it in the center. I've actually improvised with that because it doesn't have that. So what I've done is I've added a metal plate to the top, and I have a magnet in the front and the back, and that is going to allow me to fine-tune it without having to move the whole top plate forward or backwards or left to right or so forth. Makes it a lot easier to fine-tune. I've had tremendous results with it. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started. Let's throw this guy off balance. That way I can show you how well these work. Okay, so let's see. We have an unbalanced iGlide. This is going to be a two-step process. Basically, first what we need to do is we need to get it to a drop time of roughly about 1 second. Always make sure that everything is straight up and down vertical. And what we're going to do first is you can see that it's too far to the right. Forward. So we're going to back this off just a little bit, and let's see what we got. Okay, still too far forward. Okay, let's try this again. Good, I like it. Now we need to see what our drop time is. 1, 2. Okay, let's try that again. 1. Okay, that's good. I like it. It's definitely fast enough where I can balance it, and then we're going to shorten a pull to a 2-second drop time, and then we're going to rebalance it again. That's really going to get that center of balance right into the middle of that gimbal, which we need. Okay, so we need to, let's see, we got, let me turn it aside because you can see here it's leaning back. Now we're not going to use the magnets yet. That's going to be in step 2. We're just going to use the knobs here. We're going to slide this very little forward. Very little. And you can see it's pretty good so far. I mean, it's not perfect. It's leaning a little bit forward, as we can tell. And left to right isn't that bad, actually. Isn't that bad. If it was leaning too far to the left, too far to the right, all you have to do is just pretty much dial it in, going left and right really quick, using the knobs on the bottom, and that will basically get you a vertical, which is what you want. So now that we have that, good, let's go ahead and 1, 2, okay, now this is too fast. We need to shorten a pull so we have a longer drop time. So we're just going to basically push it in just a little. And we're going to redo our drop time. 1, 2, nope, too fast. We want it about 2 seconds. So let's throw it back in. Okay, let's do this one more time. 1, 2. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2. Okay, I like that. That works for me. Now, what that's going to do is that's actually going to make it even more fine-tuned, where we have to be very tedious with the front and back, left to right, and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the front and back, because it is ever so slightly leaning to the front. Now I'm not going to use the knobs anymore. Those I'm going to lock down, make sure that they don't move. I'm going to use the magnets now. Now because it is too far forward, I'm going to move the magnets backwards. And I'm moving the magnets, not the camera. So let's go ahead and slide this one back. And let's go ahead and slide this one back. And let's see how we're doing. Okay, let go. And it's not 100% straight up and down right now. So I'm going to take this back one here, pull it back even more. Let's see what we come up with. I like it. I like it. Okay, now let's see my left to right. And there we go. We have a balanced Glidecam. You can see. Very nice, very easy. The system I've implemented is very easy to do. The plate costs about 50 cents at your local hardware store. The magnets I've got at Office Depot. The little name tags pull the magnets right off the back. If you have any questions, I can put the links in the description below. And that's pretty much everything. If you guys have any questions, comments, if you felt this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button below. Hit subscribe as well. I'm going to have another video coming out soon, basically on walking with the Glidecam, running with the Glidecam, tips and tricks that you can actually use for yourself to help improve your video stability as well. But thank you, and I will see you next time.